Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reading all three of my new Peter Pan slimes, so let's go. I already played with this one, but it's called Tie-Dye Snow Butter Slime plus Clay Kit. I'm not going to be putting the Clay Kit in, just because I don't want to right now, but I will probably soon. But this is going to be right off the color when you mix it, the scent, and the stretch. The stretch is a 10 out of 10. I'm so sorry, guys. Color, definitely 10 out of 10. But scent, I'm gonna have to go for a 7 out of 10. But that's for this slime. So overall, I think this slime gets like a 9. We're done with that slime, and it's like a little shirt color play. Funny Frog Fluff. First, I think we're gonna do the smell this time first. I'm gonna get the smell a 9 out of 10. The stretch. We're gonna get the stretch an 8 out of 10. And the color a 10 out of 10. So this slime gets another 9 out of 10. No, yeah, 10 out of 10 or a 9, I don't know. Next is Watermelon Juicy Cubes. I already mixed this one together, so I can't wait. Like, I was so excited when I got it. First, I'm gonna do the smell. I think the smell is a 10 out of 10. The texture, was I doing textures or did I okay, the color gets a 7 out of 10. Then the stretch. The stretch gets a 10 out of 10. But that's all the slimes, guys. Bye. Peace.